I think we have everything, so let's get packed up. A month of planning and we're ready to try out our SUV setup. Hi, we're Craig and Patty from 60 is the New 60, and this summer we're trying something new, camping in our small SUV.
We canceled 4 nights of hotel reservations to sleep in our Chevy Trailblazer. It was 35 degrees the day we decided to leave, with the humidity making it feel like 40 degrees.
We have a surprising amount of room. And even the lawn chairs have a spot at night on the front dash.
There's even a lot of room in the spare tire compartment.
All right, ready to go. Hopefully we have everything. First stop, gas and coffee.
We drove for about 5 hours and then a change of plans.
We thought we would drive to one of our family members who have property and do our first night of setup there. It was familiar and we knew that we would feel safe. But we got away a little later than we would have liked. So when we got there, it would have been dark, and that's not what we wanted for our first time. So we found a nice place at a public beach that allows overnight parking.
We got there close to 8 o'clock, and it's a good thing because it was starting to get dark. One of the things that gave us comfort was that there was another camper there.
That was nice to see. The view that we had in the morning when we got up was really important to me.
And we didn't want to be too close to the other campers who were there, but we didn't want to be blocking the boat ramp that was there. So it took a little bit of jockeying around, but we did get a nice view.
Once we got the front seats down and slid forward, we needed to get the gear from the back. So there was only 2 options for everything, either in the driver-passenger seat area or on the floor behind them.
We had a plan of how things would go in our heads, and we did a little bit of practicing, but it's a real learning experience because the order of things changes in reality to what you think it might have been, and you just have to adapt. So we did figure out an order of how to do things, and as we practice that, it'll get better.
The weather was beautiful and it was nice enough outside that we didn't feel in a hurry, so that helped.
So first we had to unfold the plywood bridge and get that laid out, but we had to pull the mattresses back far enough so that we could lay the bridge down, and then working together we unfolded the mattress and laid it out, and it was great.
Because it's 3 separate pieces, we wanted to make sure that they were tight together. We ended up taking the lawn chairs out of the front window because there was still time to sit on the dock.
And because we still needed to put in the front window cover.
We hadn't practiced that yet, so thankfully it went pretty smooth. Just a quick look around. We have lots of room, everything in the front. There's some underneath. But we have lots of clear room in the back for our bed. We have some time to sit out the dock, and as a bonus, there's fireworks. So this was our plan. This is what we saw, and we're anticipating seeing it again in the morning.
So even though everything went smooth and we were anticipating that view in the morning, things took a turn in the night.
I've used the words brutal and horrible to describe it. And the video's not very good, but here's what we woke up to at 5 o'clock in the morning. A vehicle facing us with its headlights shining directly on our vehicle. Their radio was blaring, but that wasn't even the scariest part of the night. So we're going to share that with you in the next video. And if you're interested in camping in your SUV or just want to follow along our journey, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.